Avritha, an energy efficiency solution for manufacturing industries. In today's world, energy efficiency is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Every unit of power saved contributes to sustainability, cost reduction, and a cleaner future. That's where Avritha Energy Monitoring and Management System comes in. Your partner in driving intelligent, data-driven energy transformation with 4 simple steps. We begin at the machine level. By metering and monitoring energy consumption at each individual machine, Avritha gives you real-time visibility into how and where energy is being used across your factory floor. Step 2. With powerful analytics, the system identifies energy hotspots, areas of high consumption and power wastage. These insights help you prioritize the right actions, whether it's equipment maintenance, process optimization, or scheduling adjustments. Next, Avritha empowers industries to transform energy sources. High energy consuming units can be shifted to clean and renewable power, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and improving energy independence. At last, with data-driven intelligence and renewable integration, industries can now align operations with sustainability goals, moving toward greener, more responsible manufacturing. Avritha, Energy Efficiency Solution. A product of GrowSky Technology.